The vehicles are trying to get out. That's what this is right now. If you guys want to talk. Pepper spray. Get to us quick if you can. Get to us quick if you can.
Fucking traitors!
Here we go. Here we go. Well, we just got gassed again, so I'm not going to be able to go, but they're trying to get vehicles out of here. Vehicles. Oh, God, here we go. Turn around. See if you can see that. That's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at right now coming at us. So.
Here's the thing. You think it's go? Alright, so there are a few things dispersed in the area.